Let us start this today's session. Today we are going to start session number 6 of chapter number 7, coordinate geometry, and we are going to complete the left out question of uh, exercise 7.3, that is question number 5, and we'll start exercise 7.4. So the question is, you have studied in class 9th, chapter 9, example 3. That is, a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. In fact, this is a property which we used in the last exercise in class 9th. So verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A 4 minus 6, B 3 minus 2 and C 5 2. So let us draw the triangle first. ABC is a triangle and AD is the median, and the vertices are A, B, C. The coordinates are also given here. In the question also it is given. And how will you find the coordinate of D?
Midpoint formula.
Yes, midpoint formula. So AD median divides triangle ABC into two triangles, triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, and what we have to show that the area of these two triangles are equal. So coordinates of D we will find by using midpoint formula. Midpoint formula से कैसे आएगा? 3 plus 5 by 2 and minus 2 plus 2 by 2. Ramavat. So 3 plus 5, 8 by 2, it will become 4, and this will become 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. So the coordinate of D is 4 0. Okay, so we wrote here. Now we have to find the area of triangle ABD. So we'll start with the area of triangle ABD. ये वाला formula ऐसे लिख लेंगे, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and repeat the first one. So first coordinate is 4 minus 6, and the second coordinate is 3 minus 2, and the third coordinate is 4 0. Okay, and repeat the first one, that is 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 4 0, 4 minus 6. अभी मैंने रूल बताया था कि जब ऊपर से नीचे की ओर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो साइन चेंज नहीं करना है, जब नीचे से ऊपर की ओर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तब साइन चेंज करना है. सो दिस विल बी minus 8, and this will be
plus 18.
plus 18, right? This will be
plus 18.
this will be
0.
0, right? This will be
Plus 8.
plus 8. This will be
Minus 24.
minus 24. This will
Plus
be
8.
0. Okay, so we'll write half into minus 8 plus 18, 0 plus 8 minus 24 minus 0. So इसमें we will add this to, this will become 26, और ये हो जाएगा, कितना हो जाएगा? minus 8 minus 24
Minus 32.
minus 32. So minus 32 plus 26 will get minus 6. क्योंकि ये मॉडुलस है इसलिए वो प्लस हो जाएगा, and half into 6 will be 3 square units. Okay, so this is the area of triangle ABD. Now we are going to find the area of triangle ACD. So फिर से वही formula लिख दी हम लोग. This is the first coordinate. First coordinate is 4 minus 6. This is the second coordinate 5 2, and the third coordinate 4 0. तुम लोग किसी भी ऑर्डर पे लिख सकते हो. It's not necessary that first, second, third. You can start from anywhere, but you have to keep in your mind that जहाँ से start कर रहे हो वो वाला coordinate यहाँ पे repeat करना है. Okay, so let us start with the substitution. First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, and repeat the first one. So this will be
8.
8. This will be
Plus 30.
plus 30. This will be
Plus
0.
0. This will be
Minus 8.
minus 8. This will be
Minus 24.
Minus 20.
right. The last one
0.
0. So we'll substitute 8 plus 30, 0 minus 8 minus 24 minus 0. So इसमें ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा and 30 minus 24 will become 6. So half into 6 will be 3 square units. So that means the area of these two triangles are equal. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to start. We are going to start the next exercise, question number 1. So we conclude that hence median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. So exercise 7.4, it is optional exercise. First question. This is very important question. Board exam में काफी बार आ चुके हैं similar questions. Same question भी आ चुके हैं. Determine the ratio in which the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2 B 3 7. Okay. Okay. So let the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0 divides the line segment joining the points A and B at P, that is xy, in the ratio k is to 1. So this blue color line divides this line in the ratio k is to 1. So now we are going to use section formula. तो सेक्शन फार्मूला के लिए हम लोग ये x1 y1 है and this is x2 y2. See carefully. We'll write in this order. Now पिछले क्लास में मैंने सेकेंड सेशन में मैंने बताया था कि कैसे लिखना है फार्मूला को. x इज इक्वल्स टू m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2 एंड y इज इक्वल्स टू m1 y2 प्लस m2 y1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. ओके, याद है हाउ टू राइट द फार्मूला? ओके, नाउ वैल्यू देख लो अब इसका. हाउ विल यू राइट द वैल्यूज? फिर से k इंटू 3, दिस विल बी 3k एंड 1 इंटू 2 प्लस 2 अपॉन k प्लस 1. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ k x. 3k plus 2 upon k plus 1. Now for value of y will be 7 into k into 7, that is 7k, plus minus 2 into 1, that is minus 2 upon k plus 1. So this will be 7k minus 2 upon k plus 1. Okay. So now P, the point P lies on AB and this line also, the blue color line. So that means the point P satisfy this line. Whether this is clear? I'm audible
Yes,
to
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. P point lies on this line also. So that means P satisfies this equation also. So what we will do, we will substitute x and y in this equation. So next we'll write now P, this is the coordinate x or y, lie on the line 2x plus y minus 4 is equals to 0. Now we'll substitute x and y in this equation. Okay, so this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we'll take LCM. LCM लेंगे तो यहाँ पे दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, ये इससे इंटू करना पड़ेगा फिर LCM लेंगे तो. So we'll get 2 into 3k plus 2, that is 6k plus 4 plus 7k minus 2 minus 4 into k plus 1 upon k plus 1 is equals to 0. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Now what is k plus 1 into 0?
0.
0. Okay. So ये
Zero.
इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके 0 कर देंगे. Now see carefully. 6k plus 7k, that is 13k minus 4k. This will become 9k. 9 है ना? कितना आ रहा है?
9.
9k.
9k आ रहा है. और ये 4 minus 4 will be cancelled and only minus 2 will be left. So we'll get 9k minus 2 is equals to 0. So what is the value of k?
9 by 2.
2 by 9.
2 by 9. 2 by 9. पहले 2 को इधर शिफ्ट करो, फिर k is equals to 2 by 9. So I told you whatever the value of k you will get, that is the required ratio. Hence the required ratio is 2 is to 9. Whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
let us move towards question number 2. This is very important बट बहुत सारे लोग इसको इस क्वेश्चन को लेके कमेंट कर रहे हैं दैट कि ये क्वेश्चन नहीं होना चाहिए. The reason is that they feel that this question is based on area of triangle, and area of triangle has been deleted for this academic year. और डिलीटेड सिलेबस में जो मेरा एक्सप्लेनेशन था उसमें सेकंड क्वेश्चन मैंने डिलीट है करके नहीं कहा था. So just see, you can solve this question by using section formula also. So let us see first area of triangle method. Area of triangle method में let the vertices of triangle A, XY, B, 1, 2 and this is C. Okay, this is C 7, 0. Okay, so area of triangle ABC के लिए पहले वो वाला पैटर्न लिख लेंगे हम लोग. This is the first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate and repeat the first one. So we'll write all this one XY 1, 2, 7, 0 XY. Okay, and now we'll apply that method. Product jaldi.
2x.
2x.
This one,
Minus y.
Minus y.
this one,
0.
0.
this
Zero.
one,
Minus
40.
40.
this one,
7 5.
this one,
0.
0.
0. Right. So we'll get half into 2x minus y plus 0 minus 14 plus 7y minus 0. Okay. So minus y plus 7y. This will become
6y.
6y. Okay. So next equation में 2x plus 6y minus 14 half into 2x plus 6y minus 14. Now in the question it is given that these 3 points are collinear. ये दोनों तीनों points collinear है. So what will be the area of triangle ABC?
0.
Yes, area of triangle ABC is 0. So we'll equate this is equals to 0. So ये 2 को यहाँ पे इंटू करने से 0 हो जाएगा and what is left? 2x plus 6y minus 14 is equals to 0. Now divide all by 2. What you will get?
X plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0.
Very good. You will get x plus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. So this is the area of triangle method. Now I am going to explain the another method, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन बहुत लोग कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि ये एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल डिलीट हो गया तो ये क्वेश्चन भी नहीं होना चाहिए. Okay, so let us see method number 2. So let this 3 points are collinear, it is already given. Let B divides this AC in the ratio k is to 1. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because
sir.
it is given that ना ABC collinear है दिया हुआ है. So we'll assume that let B divides the line joining AC in the ratio k is to 1. Now we'll use section formula. So इसको फिर अरेंज करके लिखेंगे हम लोग, राइट? देखो अरेंज करके लिख रहे हैं x y 7 0 k 1. Now we'll write the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and the next formula m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now see, I wrote here x dash and y dash. Why? Because x and y already it is given in the question. That is why I wrote x dash and y dash. And what is the value of x dash and y dash here? X dash is 1 and y dash is 2. So यहाँ पे हम लोग 1 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे, यहाँ पे 2 सब्सटीट्यूट करेंगे. Now see the other values. दूसरा वैल्यू के लिए देखो ध्यान से. सबसे पहले k x का वैल्यू 7 into k plus
7k plus
what?
7k
7k plus x into 1 x
x
upon k plus 1 is equals to 1. This is the x value. Now for y value, see carefully, y value k into 0
0
plus 1 into y
y.
y or y plus 0 upon k plus 1. Okay, so whether this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we'll do the cross multiplication. दोनों तरफ, दोनों में क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे. So this will become x plus 7k is equals to k plus 1, and this will become y is equals to 2k plus 2. This is clear? Now we'll shift this to this side and 2 to this side. So ये माइनस के -1 हो जाएगा और ये -2 हो जाएगा नेक्स्ट स्टेप में. सी देखो ये शिफ्ट किए हम लोग. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप दिस विल बिकम 6k. अब यहाँ से हम लोग क्या करेंगे, k का वैल्यू निकालेंगे. विल टेक k इज इक्वल्स टू y minus 2 upon 2. फिर से देख लो, दिस विल बिकम x plus 6k minus 1 is equals to 0, and from this we'll write the value of k. This is clear?
Yes.
Now this k will substitute here. यहाँ पे देखो, सब्सटीट्यूट करने के बाद क्या मिलेगा. Substituting the value of k in this equation, so we'll get x plus 6 into y minus 2 upon 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. Now this 2 and 6 you can cancel it. यहाँ पर आएगा 3. So what you will get, x plus 3 into y minus 2 minus 1 is equals to 0. अब इसको एक्सपैंड करो, ओपन करो.
3y minus 6.
राइट. अब फाइनल आंसर बताओ.
x plus 3y minus
x plus 3y minus 6 minus 1 is
ऑलरेडी लिखा हो ना, -7 is equals to 0.
Plus 3y minus 7 is equal to
Right,
0.
same answer we got. So this method also you can apply if such type of question. You can't say that कि ये question delete हो गया है. Is that clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
हाँ, एक बार फिर से ये देख लेना जब मैं अपना रिकॉर्डिंग डालूंगा. सो एक बार फिर से देख लेना, ये खुद से करके देखना, बहुत इजी है. सी we took k from y and substituted in this one. You can take k from x also, you can substitute in y also. So दोनों काम कर सकते हो. You will get the same result. Okay, now let us move towards question number 3. Now this is very important question, very good question. Find the center of circle passing through 3 points. 6 minus 6, 3 minus 7 and 3 3. So पहले एक फिगर बना लेते हैं. Now see, these 3 points are passing through P, Q, R. What about this? ये क्या है?
radius.
Radius.
Right. And radii of a circle is are equal. So OP is equals to OQ is equals to OR. Then we will use the distance formula. Okay. So now we'll start the write up. Let O be the center, required center, which passes through the point P, Q minus 3 minus 7 and R 3 3. Now radii of a circle are equal, so OP is equals to OQ is equals to OR. Now if we use distance formula, you will get square root. So in order to remove the square root, we'll take OP square is equals to OQ square is equals to OR square. This step is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes sir.
Now see how many relations you can make. How many relation you can make from this one is, this is one, first one. OP square is equals to OQ square. कितने सारे को हम लोग equate कर सकते हैं. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. ठीक है. हम लोग कोई दो यूज करेंगे, दो यूज करके दोनों दो इक्वेशन आएगा उसको सॉल्व करेंगे. लेकिन इसमें एक छोटा सा टेक्निक क्या है कि यहाँ पर देखो कोई कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है कि नहीं. तीनों में एनी कोऑर्डिनेट इज सेम. Any coordinate, either x or y.
Sir, x coordinate of 3 and 3 minus 7.
Very good. So I will take first OR and OQ. कौन सा? देखो ध्यान से. OR और OQ. This one I will take. Okay. The reason I will explain you after taking this one. इसको simplify करने के बाद reason समझ में आएगा. Concept यही है, फंडा यही है कि अगर 3 पॉइंट्स इक्विडिस्टेंस दिया है तो वहां पे देखो कि कौन सा कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है, वो वाले कोऑर्डिनेट से रिलेटेड वाला इक्वेट करो पहले. तो यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पे 3 और 3 दोनों सेम है, x coordinate are same, you may get y coordinate, तो वो दोनों को लेना है. So I am taking OQ square is equals to OR square. Now use distance formula. OQ x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 7, that will become plus 7 whole square. OR square x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. This step is clear? Now see carefully.
Yes, sir.
ये दोनों सेम है ना? These two are same. So you can eliminate this 2 from both sides क्योंकि दोनों सेम है. And you will get only one variable, that is y on both sides. So this is the advantage of taking this pair first. अगर y coordinate same है तो you will get x, only one variable x. And if x coordinate is same, then you will get y variable only on both sides. So and solving one variable is very easy. You get the value of y in 2-3 steps. कई लोग क्या करते हैं, ये दोनों को ले लेते हैं और ये दोनों को ले लेते हैं. सो बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं कि OP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OQ स्क्वायर ले लेते हैं, फर्स्ट इक्वेट करते हैं और सेकंड इक्वेट करते हैं OP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OR स्क्वायर. इन दोनों से दो इक्वेशन मिलता है, फिर वो दोनों इक्वेशन को वो सॉल्व करते हैं, राइट. तो पहले से अगर ये चीज ढूंढ लेंगे तो यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ y इन द वेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप. सो ये मेथड समझ में आ गया, ट्रिक?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is not a rule, है ना, this is only trick. Okay, so expand this one. You will get y square plus 49 plus 14y, and here y square plus 9 minus 6y. Okay, in both sides y square is there, so again you can eliminate these two. Again you can eliminate these two. Next step में minus 6y को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो plus 6y हो जाएगा, और 49 को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे तो minus 49 हो जाएगा. So we'll get 20y is equals to minus 40. This is clear to all of you? So
Yes, sir.
what is the value of y?
-2.
Right, minus 40 upon 20, that is minus 2. So we got the value of y. I told you that you will get in 2-3 steps. So y मिल गया. अभी नेक्स्ट कोई भी एक रिलेशन ले लो, आइदर यू कैन टेक OP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OQ स्क्वायर और OP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OR स्क्वायर, जो अच्छा लग रहा है वो ले लो. सो मैं ले लेता हूँ OP स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू OQ स्क्वायर, द फर्स्ट पेयर व्हाट वी आर सेइंग हियर. So OP square, how will you write OP square? See, x minus 6 whole square plus y minus of minus 6, that will become plus 6 whole square. The second one OQ square already यहाँ पे लिखे हम लोग, this one. So उसको एक बार लिख लिए. Now here we can substitute the value of y. y क्या था? -2. यहाँ पे substitute कर दो. यहाँ पे substitute कर दिया, देखो y का वैल्यू. और साथ ही हम लोग what we did, we expanded this one, x square plus 36 minus 12y, and this will become x square plus 9 minus 6x. So ये कितना हो जाएगा बताओ यहाँ पे? This will become
4 square, that is 16.
16, and here
5 square.
5 square, that is 25.
25, right. So next step में देखो, उसको मैं फिर से रिपीट करूँ यहाँ पर, and we can eliminate this x square from both sides. So मैंने eliminate कर दिया है, ध्यान से देखो. 36 minus 12x as it is है, just now you told this is 16, and 9 minus 6x as it is है, and just now you told the value of this is 25. अब इसको हम लोग simplify करेंगे. See, 9 plus 25 is 34 right side में, and 36 plus 16 is 52, and we will shift minus 6 to this side, plus 6. Whether this is clear to all of you, this step?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so इन दोनों को simplify करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
-6.
और right
Eight.
side में minus 6x is equals to
-18.
minus 18, right. And what is the value of x?
3.
3. So what is the coordinate of center? 3 minus 2. देखो बहुत जल्दी सॉल्व हो गया ये. एक्चुअल में अगर फर्स्ट वो दूसरा दो पेयर लेंगे तो दो इक्वेशन मिलेगा, फिर दोनों को सॉल्व करते रहो. So now let us move towards another question, question number 4. This is also a very good question. Two opposite vertices of a square A and C, -1, 2, 3, 2. So find the coordinates of other two vertices. So इसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर B का कोऑर्डिनेट ले लेंगे XY, राइट. नाउ ध्यान से देखो, सबसे पहले हम लोग इसमें यूज करेंगे AB इज इक्वल टू BC. वाई?
Sides of a square.
राइट, साइड्स ऑफ स्क्वायर. तो पहले से राइट अप कर लेते हैं इसका. लेट टू ऑपोजिट वर्टाइसेस ऑफ square ABCD is A -1, 2 and C 3, 2, and let the coordinates of B is XY. Now length of each sides of square are equal, so AB is equals to BC. Again we are using distance formula. So फिर से स्क्वायर रूट आएगा यहाँ पर, तो हम लोग स्क्वायर कर लेते हैं दोनों साइड. नाउ AB स्क्वायर क्या होगा, देखो x minus of -1, that will become +1, that is x plus 1 whole square, and y minus 2 whole square. ये हो गया AB स्क्वायर. नाउ BC स्क्वायर x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Now expand this one, इसको expand कर लो पूरा. So this will become x square plus 1 plus 2x. एक मिनट, उससे पहले ये दोनों एलिमिनेट कर दो, यहाँ से दोनों सेम है, you eliminate it. After that you expand this one. So x square plus 1 plus 2x is equals to x square plus 9 minus 6x. इसमें ये दोनों एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं, दोनों सेम है. और -6x को इस तरफ शिफ्ट करो, +6x हो जाएगा. एंड +1 you shift to this side, it will become -1. Okay, so we'll get 8x is equals to 8. What is the value of x?
1.
1. Right. Now in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Why?
Interior angle.
Interior angle. Angle, each angle of square is 90 degree, na? That reason you have to mention. Okay, so this is a right triangle. So in right angle triangle ACB, now use Pythagoras theorem. So if you use Pythagoras theorem, what you will get?
AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square.
Right. So by using Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Now AB square already हम लोग के पास है, BC square भी already हम लोग के पास है. Now we'll substitute. Okay, and AC square will be 3 minus of -1, that is +1 whole square, and 2 minus 2 whole square. तो next step में 0 हो जाएगा, this will become 0, and ये कितना बचेगा यहाँ पर राइट साइड में?
16.
4 square, that is 16. Right. Now we will substitute the value of x in these two, that is 1 plus 1 whole square, 1 minus 3 whole square, और ये दोनों एक्सपैंड कर देंगे. ये दोनों एक्सपैंड पहले 2 टाइम्स लिख के भी एक्सपैंड कर सकते हो, और else you can expand and add. So what is 1 plus 1 whole square?
4.
1 minus 3 whole square. Final answer. 1 minus 3 whole square.
4.
4. Okay. So ध्यान से देखो, how many 4s are there? 1 plus 4. 2, 3, 4. This will be
16.
16. And y square 2 है. So 2y square. And minus 4y is also 2 times. So this will become minus 8y. So लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में क्या मिलेगा, देखो ध्यान से, 2y square minus 8y plus 16 is equals to 16. So this 16 will be eliminated, and we'll get 2y square minus 8y is equals to 0. So you can take 2y common from here. Now what is the solution? What is the value of y and y? Two values of y
So y will be equal to 4.
and another value,
0.
right? So we'll equate 2y. First 2y is equals to 0 and 4y minus 4 is equals to 0. इससे y is equals to 0 आ जाएगा और इससे y is equals to 4 आ जाएगा. So hence the required points are 1, 0 and 1, 4. So these are the required two vertices of a square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving towards the last question of today's class, today's session. उसके बाद 6th, 7th, 8th हम लोग next कल complete करेंगे. This is very big question. The class 10th student of a secondary school in Krishi Nagar have been allotted a rectangular plot of land for their gardening activity. Sapling of gulmohar are planted on the boundary at a distance of 1 meter from each other. There is a triangular grassy lawn in the plot as shown in this figure. The students are to sow seeds of flowering plants on the remaining area of the plot. Taking A as origin, find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle, this triangle. What will be the coordinates of the vertices of triangle PQR if you take C as origin? Also, calculate the areas of the triangle in these cases. What do you observe? So, let us start with the first one. Diagram is visible to you? This diagram?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अभी देखो ध्यान से. We are going to take A as origin. So, AD x-axis होगा और AB y-axis होगा. So, what is the coordinate of P?
4, 6.
ध्यान से देखो 4. ठीक है, 4 and this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what is the coordinate of Q?
3, 2.
3, 2, right. And what is the coordinate of R?
6, 5.
6, 5. Okay. So अभी हम लोग coordinate लिखने जा रहे हैं. So when taking A as origin, AD is x-axis and AB is y-axis, that I already told. And the coordinates of PQR, a triangular grassy lawn PQR, are this one. Now we got the coordinates. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. तो हम लोग वही वाला मेथड यूज करेंगे. ठीक है, पहले तो फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे. This is the first coordinate, second, third, and repeat the first one. The first coordinate is 4, 6, then 3, 2, then 6, 5. This order is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now, tell me the product fast.
8.
Plus 8. Minus 18. Plus 15. Minus 12. Plus 36. Minus 20.
Right. So half into 8 minus 18, 15 minus 12, 36 minus 20. So what we will do, we will add all the minus 30, minus 20, minus कितना हो गया, minus 50.
50.
Okay. So 36 plus 15 plus 8, 59 हो रहा है. So 59 minus 50. Only 9 will be left. So what is the final answer? Half into 9 कितना होगा?
4.5
Square units, right? 4.5 square unit. Now in the question, what is given that we have to find the coordinates of PQR with respect to C as origin. ध्यान से देखो, ये जो C है इसको अभी origin लेना है. So मैं एक काम करता हूँ, इसको पूरा पलट देता हूँ. पलटने से पहले if we take C as origin, CB जो है, ध्यान से देखो, CB जो है वो x एक्सिस हो जाएगा and CD will become y एक्सिस. अभी P का कोऑर्डिनेट्स बताएंगे, ध्यान से देखो. दिस इज x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12, 2.
2.
So what is the coordinate of P? 12, 2. और ये 13 में Q है, देखो ध्यान से. It is in 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the coordinate of Q?
13.
13, 6, right? और ये देखो ये 10 में R है, R जो है वो 10 में है, and this is the third one. So what is the coordinate of R?
10, 3.
Right. So coordinate सबको clear है?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Okay. So फिर से वही format लिखें, first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, repeat the first one into half है यहाँ पर. So substitute कर दिए. Now tell me the product fast. 72.
Minus 26.
Next.
39.
Next.
Minus
60.
60.
Next.
Plus 20.
20.
Next.
Minus
Minus
36.
36.
Minus 36. Right. We'll substitute. Now पूरा प्लस वाले को ऐड करेंगे. देखो ध्यान से. 72 39 होगा 111. So 131. Next 26 minus 26 minus 60 minus 86. So ये 122 हो रहा है. So that means 131 minus 122. Again we are getting 9. So what is the answer?
4.5 square unit.
Right, 4.5 square unit. So क्योंकि ये same triangle है, if you take with respect to origin A as origin or with respect to C as origin, we'll get the same area. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this
Yes, sir.
question? Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So from above two cases, it is clear that the area of triangular grassy lawn is same. So this is the last question of the section. Now this is the assignment questions. 5 questions are there. First question mein you have to show that all these 4 points are collinear. That is, you have to show that area is equal to 0. And this 4 questions are collinear. It is given that collinear, and you need to find the value of x in the second question, y in the second question, third question also y, and the fourth question k nikalna hai. So you have to complete and you have to send me through WhatsApp. And tomorrow we'll wind up this lesson. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you very much. So any doubt in today's class? You please watch
No,
once
sir.
again. I will upload after 10C class. 10C class 3:10 को खत्म होगा, उसके बाद मैं upload करूँगा. You watch once again for better understanding.